Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. So in today's video we're going to be reciting Vajrapani Buddha Sutra, and this Ascended Master, guys, I kind of forget how I got introduced to him, but along my journey when I really needed his help, he came into my consciousness and I just found him. A lot of the different Buddhas, how I learned about them in the beginning of my journey, guys, was just following the Buddhism tag on Instagram, the hashtag, and I would just scroll, like the photos, and I would just get goosebumps and just get called to a certain bodhisattva, and I would just go ahead, learn about them, recite their mantra, and in that time of my life, I needed them for that help. And I came to the point now where I know like a bunch of different Ascended Masters, so if I need protection, like I need help because negative energy or evil entities, demons are trying to attack me in my sleep or in my wake, I will call upon Vajrapani Buddha. If I'm having minor obstacles and hindrances, I'll go to Amitabha. If I need healing because I'm sick, I go to Medicine Buddha, and so forth. So that's kind of a little example for you guys. Without further ado, if you need any help from negative energies, the evil eye, that's my cat being really rowdy. Whenever I film, guys, my cat goes bonkers. Don't know what's going on with you, Maleficent. Maybe she's excited that Buddha's here. But anyways, guys, so if you have any negative energies, evil trying to attack you, go ahead and work with Vajrapani Buddha. I really love working with him because in my dreams and my unconscious state, when my spirit leaves my body, evil things love to try to mess with me. So when I recite his sutra, as well as with others, this really helps a lot, and he's helped me so much, guys. There's also another Ascended Master I do want to let you guys know about. His name is Guan Gom. He guards your home, and my cat's going crazy. Guan Gom is another awesome Ascended Master, Bodhisattva to work with, guys, or Buddha. Oh my god, my cat's going crazy. I can't even talk to you guys. My nose is itchy too. Story short, guys, Guan Gom is an awesome Buddha too. You can just recite his name like Namo Guan Gom Pusa, Namo Guan Gom Pusa, and do a mala of his name too. Because when you recite the Buddha's name, it's paying respect and they're hearing your call and they'll help you too, guys. So without further ado, let's get into Vajrapani Buddha Sutra. Let's get our mala ready, guys, and get this going. Om Vajrapani Hum, 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 Om Vajrapani Hum. Om Vajrapani Hum, 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 Om Vajrapani Hum. His sutra is really easy to recite, guys. It's super quick, so I could do 3 malas of it super quick once you get the hang of the verbiage and how you say his mantra. I also do use it, guys, because I do have a crystal grid that I made that's a protection crystal grid. So I have all the protective crystals lined up, and I have the intention and spells cast to protect me from all negative energy and evil, from all worlds and realms of existence. In my sleep and in my wake, I'll be protected. So I'm going full scale coverage, guys, and I do recite Vajrapani Buddha Sutra too, so he can help charge my grid with his divine magic, and I can be protected, get some heavenly help. Why not, right? So please, Vajrapani Pusa, let the mala of your sutra I just recite go forth to help the mother sentient beings watching this video. May you bless their path, and please help my cat Maleficent not be so crazy while I'm trying to film these magical videos for you guys. Blessed be Amino Tofu. My cat's just going crazy, guys. If the tripod's shaking, it's because you're on my bed and my cat's on my bed underneath the tripod. Sorry, guys. I really hope that you did enjoy this video, though. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and turn on those post notifications down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know if this sutra has helped you guys out. I just love Vajrapani Pulsa. He's helped me so much along my spiritual journey, helping me out. Love him. Kwan is awesome too. And of course, guys, until next time, like always, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated, and so it is. Blessed be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls.